Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence.
Let's see more examples with he. He can speak English. He can listen to English. He can write English. He can read English. He can understand English. He can chat in English. Let's repeat after me these examples. He can speak English. He can listen to English. He can write English. He can read English. He can understand English. He can chat in English. He can play basketball. He can play tennis. He can play the guitar. He can play the piano. He can play the flute. So there is a the missing and a full stop. He can play the drums. He can play the lute. Negative form. He can't speak English. He can't listen to English. He can't write English. He can't read English. He can't understand English. He can't chat in English. He can't play basketball. He can't play tennis. He can't play the guitar. He can't play the piano. He can't play the flute. Missing the and full stop. He can't play the drums. He can't play the lute. Can he speak English? Can he listen to English? Can he write English? Can he read English? Can he understand English? Can he chat in English? Can he play basketball? Can he play tennis? Can he play the guitar? Can he play the piano? Can he play the flute? So the is missing, the flute. Can he play the drums? Can he play the lute? Now examples with she. She can fast in Ramadan. She can paint pictures. She can draw very well. She can cook. She can travel alone. She can speak Arabic. She can teach music. She can play tennis. She can play handball. Handball is a small letter H, not capital letter. She can play the hockey. She can play squash. She can play table tennis. She can play rugby. She can't fast in Ramadan. She can't paint pictures. She can't draw very well. She can't cook. She can't travel alone. She can't travel alone. She can't speak Arabic. She can't teach music. She can't play tennis. She can't play handball, H small letter. She can't play the hockey. She can't play squash. She can't play table tennis. She can't play rugby. Can she fast in Ramadan? Can she paint pictures? Can she draw very well? Can she cook? Can she travel alone? Interrogation mark, question mark. Can she speak Arabic? Can she teach music? Can she play tennis? Can she play handball? Small letter H, handball. Can she play the hockey? Can she play squash? Can she play table tennis? Can she play rugby?